Hey, what is up guys? John from Magic Tech Review, and in today's video I'm going to be taking a look at the LG Q7 Plus from MetroPCS. So go ahead and leave a like on the video if you enjoy the content. Go ahead and subscribe to become part of the Magic Tech Review family, and comment down below what you think about this video and any other videos. And also shout out to the other tech YouTubers such as Paul Tech, Tech Right, and other people that have been covering this phone. They have full unboxings and reviews. This is just going to be my kind of look at the specs and just kind of review of the specs and stuff like that. So like I said, go check those videos out if you want more full coverage of the actual phone in hand and all that. I'm just taking a brief look at it, you know, just to cover it on the channel for a little bit. Alrighty guys, and here is the LG Q7 Plus from MetroPCS. As I mentioned before, there are several other tech YouTubers that have covered this phone, maybe even unboxed it and reviewed it. It's a little bit out of my price range at $300 for MetroPCS, and I usually cover Cricket. But we're going to go ahead and take a look either way. I believe Paul Tech, Tech Right, oh my god, I don't want to miss anybody, guys, Variety Tech, and JG Tech Blog have this on their channel. So go ahead and check out all your favorite MetroPCS guys for this coverage and whatnot. But let's go ahead and get into the specs. So I know it is $299 or about $300 on MetroPCS, give or take, with taxes and fees included or not included. So we're going to just take a look here. 5.5-inch display, full HD display. So I guess it's a 18:9 aspect ratio. So that's really nice right there. You have 1080p, Android 8.1 Oreo. This is the big thing right here. 64 gigs of ROM and 4 gigabytes of RAM is excellent for a device like this. And I think the price is actually quite good for the specs that you're getting here. IP68 dust and water resistant. Really nice to see on a phone at this level. Quick capture, 16 megapixels, single LED flash on the rear camera, a 1.8 octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon with a 450 processor. Some people are not liking the 450 processor for some reason. They're saying they want a little bit, better or faster processor. I think it's just fine. So let's go ahead and take a gander here at what she looks like. I like the back a little bit more. It looks a little bit different than what they usually do, and I like the antenna lines along the sides and all that. Gives it a little bit of a fresher look than usual LG phones. So let me just kind of read over here what it says. Of course, you got your 18:9 aspect ratio. So yeah, 8.1. Okay. So they're really calling out that 16 megapixel camera right there. So I'm sure it takes some quality shots. Of course, you're gonna have to do, other YouTubers will be doing test comparisons of the camera and all that. 4 gigabytes of RAM and 64 gigabytes of ROM is a welcome inclusion. $300 is a little bit steep for my budget, but for the specs they give, I think it's pretty cool. And I think it's pretty cool that MetroPCS is offering something at that price range. So they have, the LG Stylo 4, which they're giving away for practically free. If you port in, of course, you got to pay for your first month bill, taxes, fees, and activation fee and whatnot. But that being said, the LG Stylo 4 comes in a really cheap price point for free, or I think it's about $129 or $179 depending on what you do, if you upgrade or if you're getting a new line. So this thing right here falls in the $300 price range. Maybe it could have been $250. MetroPCS customers, I don't think they're going in the store exactly with 300 plus 10 for activation, then plus their 60. I don't think they're going in the store with $370 or almost close to $400 once you add in the taxes to get this phone for. But I mean, there is some type of market for this. Also, there are other phones that you can get for the same price that is probably better than this phone. So I don't know, if you're an LG fan though, definitely worth taking a look at right here. The 3000 milliamp battery take you on your action-packed day with tons of power. I wouldn't say tons of power. I don't know how the 3000 milliamp battery is going to hold up. It seems a little tad bit small for the 1080p screen, and then you're having 18:9 and then you're having the 4 gigabytes of RAM with a 450 processor. I don't know if 3000 milliamps is going to get you through the whole day, but I'm sure it'll, get you somewhere close to that. So who knows? I can't really say. Like I said, I don't have the phone in hand. And here we go with the specs again. Doing a wonderful job, LG, of displaying it on the website. Let's see, Panda King screen protector. What is a Panda King screen protector? Weird. I guess they put the screen protector on there, or it's included. See, I don't know this stuff. IP68 water resistant. That's really nice. Shock resistant. Really nice. So it looks like it's actually shock resistant, where you can drop it a few times and it might not, and it shouldn't break. Rear fingerprint ID. That's cool. And they are showing you here. They are let's see. They are showing you here that it is military standard, military grade, and they did do the testing right here. So that's pretty cool as well. You don't want to drop your phone, and then the shock from that actually, dislodges something inside your phone. Burst shot, quick sharing functionality. So it looks like it has lots and lots of features, guys, that could be really, really cool for a phone such as this. So it looks like it's going to be a pretty high-end device for what you get. So if you want something that's a little bit higher and a little bit better than what you usually get with these type of phones, then looks like this could be the phone for you. So hopefully, I don't know, I'm gonna try to get my hands on it, guys, but I'm not gonna hold my breath to actually get this device. But as you can see here, guys, many features here. Looks like it has lots and lots of goodies, specs, and all that included. So hopefully, guys, this is a video that you enjoyed. Go ahead and leave a thumbs up if you did enjoy the content. And yeah, I guess I go ahead and see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. This has been John from Magic Tech Review, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.